Guys, what do you think rhymes with why do bad things feel so right?
How about the glitter on the night?
I used to play with her all night.
I really like that, Ross. I didn't know you were so poetic.
I wrote songs back in college.
Did you really? Is that how you got all the girls?
Dude, didn't you write that song for Carol?
It wasn't for Carol, it was for Russia.
You wrote a song for Rachel? Can we hear it?
No, I don't even remember.
Oh, I do.
No, you don't. And if I hear you say something, I will tell to Joey you don't like her bracelets.
Come on, Ross. It's so romantic. I think you should sing it to her at the cafe.
Romantic.
Yes, buddy, it's really
Can
romantic.
I get some help?
Did you rob a flea market?
Yeah, man, what's in the box?
Mom is converting my room into a gym. So this is my childhood. I don't even know what's in these boxes.
Probably tons of Daja Bajadu and some Winnie Pooh.
Are you gonna help me or not?
Okay.
Ross, are you thinking about something? Maybe about singing a certain song?
What's so funny?
Well,
Nothing.
nothing.
Lady, where's my coffee?
Coming.
You know what, Ross? If you act like a little schoolgirl, I will put you a blessing.
You will don't dare to... Let me some time, I will manage.
No, Ross, I think Chandler's right. You should do it. I think it's so romantic, and I have a feeling somebody else will too.
Let me feel... no.
Some people just want to stay with their hands.
That's not true, just I need the perfect moment. And then you will see you will be annoyed by my R and R in LOVE.
The perfect moment? Okay. Hey, Rachel. I have a question for you. What would you think if a guy wrote a song for you?
I think that would be very sweet.
Really? I think so too.
Yeah. I think I never had a song written about me.
Really? Are you sure?
Yeah, but it could be so embarrassing if he sang it in front of everyone, you know? Funny song. What is it?
Red Pastor.
Yeah, I just wrote it.
I can't wait to hear it.
Can you not push her? Maybe she needs some time to release it. It's okay, Jess?
Okay, sorry, baby.
Don't worry about it. It's okay.
Gotta go back to work.
She can't wait to hear it.
Hey, are you still working on that?
Yeah, there's a
Process to everything. I know.
Exactly.
Is there some ketchup in these boxes?
Joey, this box is from my childhood.
Yeah, but maybe Fat Monica left some ketchup in there for some sandwich emergencies.
Hey, Mom, what's this?
I'm not sure.
Lay it? Maybe it's a dirty movie.
The only dirty movie Monica had it was her in a pie eating contest. They had no chance.
It was a contest, and I won.
So, do we want to play this massacre?
Yes, I want to see it.
Okay.
Oh, that's the song.
Oh my god. Dear Rachel, I love you so much that you believe it or not, I will be there for you. Fall season comes and goes. I'm waiting for you. I love you. Rachel green, your eyes are not green. Your eyes are blue, blue like me. 'Cause I love you. I love blue, I love you. I love blue. Old nose, new nose. I will love you even without nose. No, no, nose. No! I will never leave you, no. Yeah, Russell, be my baby. I will treat you like my lady. When I see you, my hands are shaky. Without you, my days are rainy. Be with me forever, till we're 80. Come on, Russell, be my baby. Don't say maybe, yeah.
Oh my god. I'm glad Rachel wasn't here to see this. Hi, Rachel.
Oh my god. Wait, I can explain.
Well,
Hey, Rachel. Why are you like this?
Don't worry about it. It's okay.
As a teenager, was her in a pie, eating pie contest. I was a teenager. This sentence is fucking make a pass. Well, I mean,
It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, a week, a month, even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
Oh, okay. Yeah. She just wanted help to get her ticket done. She didn't need help buying the ticket, she just needed